Hi everyone. Today we have to come up with an idea for personal pronouns. English, would you like to start? I am. Simple, right? Ich bin. Ja, sam. Whoa, okay. This is going to be easy. Second person. You are. Du bist. Die, sie. He, she, it is. Er, sie, es ist. On, ona, ono. Yeah. Oh, I'm so proud of you guys. So, singular done, plural won't be a problem. We are. Wir sind. Mismo. Oh, okay. Hey, English. Where are you going? We are not finished. But second person plural. I mean, oh, you are? Okay, you have the same thing for singular, but better than to complicate things, right, guys? Right? Creation, what do you got for me? Yes, I was thinking vi ste and out of respect, capitalized vi ste. Ihr seid. Okay, that makes sense. German, do you want also the out of respect? Nicht jetzt. Oh, okay then. So, just the last person and we are done. They are. Aha, aber jetzt. Sie sind aus Respekt. Oni, one, ona, su. I'm sorry? Yeah. Masculine, feminine, neutral, plural. Why not?